Hey, it's Mr. Estrada here. There is our learning target. It says I can set up and solve equations to find vertical, supplementary, and complementary angles. So let's get to it. Find the measurement of angle ABC. So angle ABC is referring to this opening here, this angle right here that I just labeled. X plus 10 is the expression that represents angle ABC. And we want to find the measurement of angle ABC. So what can we tell from looking at the diagram? What can we know from looking at it? We know that angle ABC and angle DBE are vertical angles. And we also know that vertical angles are equal. So therefore, we could say that angle ABC is equal to angle DBE, right? We know that this angle here is equal to this angle here because they're vertical. Vertical angles are equal. So now, since I know that those two angles are equal, I could substitute the angle expressions into this equation here, and I would get x plus 10 equals 2x plus 3, right? I could just set the two angles equal to each other, the two angle expressions, because vertical angles are equal. So all that's really left to do now is solve for x and then find the angle measurement. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's solve for x. So we're going to subtract x on both sides. This will cancel out. We get 10 equals x plus 3. Subtract 3 on both sides. This cancels out. I get 7 equals x. Now, we're still not finished because it says to find the measurement of angle ABC. So we still didn't find the measurement. We only found the value of x. So for us to find the actual angle measurement, we have to substitute the value of x into the expression that represents angle ABC to get the measurement of angle ABC. So we know angle ABC equals, what did it equal? X plus 10. And we know x is 7, so we're going to substitute for x. That's going to be 7 plus 10, that's going to be equal to 17. So we know that the measurement of angle ABC is equal to 17 degrees. Let me write that over. We know the measurement of angle ABC is equal to 17 degrees. That's our final answer. Now, one of the ways you could check it is you can actually plug, so since we know this is 17 degrees, we know this has to also be 17 degrees, right? This angle measurement here has to be 17 degrees because these are vertical. So one of the things you could do is you could plug x in here and see if it will give you 17. So what was the value of x? It was 7. So we can do 2 times 7, that's 14, plus 3, yep, we get 17. So it works for both expressions. We get 17 on both expressions when we substitute for x. So that's a nice way to check to see that you got it right. If we didn't get the same thing for both angles, we know we did something wrong because these two angles are supposed to be equal to each other in measurement. Example 2, angle A and angle B are supplementary angles. If the measure of angle A equals 2x minus 21 and the measure of angle B equals 4x minus 21, then find the measure of angle A. Well, since angle A and angle B are supplementary, we know that they must add up to 180. So we can say angle A plus angle B equal 180. Now, I could substitute for angle A here with the expression that represents angle A, and I can do the same for angle B. Substitute with the expression that represents angle B. So let's go ahead and do that. So angle A is 2x minus 21, then it says plus right here. Now substitute the expression for angle B, that's 4x minus 21. Bring down the equal sign, bring down the 180. So what I just did now is I just set up the equation based on the angle classification. So there's my equation set up. Since they're supplementary, we know they have to add up to 180. The angle classification here is supplementary. So let's go ahead and solve for x. So 2x plus 4x, that is going to give us 6x. Negative 21 minus 21 is negative 42. Bring down everything else and add 42 on both sides. We get 6x equals 180 plus 42, which is 222. Divide both sides by 6. X equals 37. Okay, so after you set up the equation based on the angle classification, you want to solve for x. But look, we're still not done, because we have to substitute the value of x into the appropriate expression to get the angle measurement. So let's go back to the original problem. It said to find the measure of angle A. Angle A is 2x minus 21. So I'm going to write that. Angle A is equal to 2x minus 21. Now I'm going to substitute. So it's going to be 2 times 37 minus 21. 2 times 37 is 74. 74, subtract 21, I get 53. So that means angle A is 53 degrees. And that will be our final answer. 53 degrees for angle A. And you can also check this, and I'll leave that up to you. They're supposed to add up to 180. So substitute for x for angle B, and then just make sure that the result you get from that substitution along with that 53 adds up to 180 degrees. All right, let's try one more. It says angle A and angle B are complementary angles. If the measure of angle A is equal to 5x plus 12 and the measure of angle B equals 7x minus 6, then find the measure of angle A. Well, since angle A and angle B are complementary, we know that they must add up to 90. So let's set up our equation, and then let's solve for x. So we get 5x plus 12 plus 7x minus 6 equals 90, because they're complementary. 7x plus 5x, that's going to give us 12x. 12 minus 6 is positive 6. Subtract 6 on both sides. We get 12x equals 84. And we're going to divide both sides by 12. 84 divided by 12 gives us 7. So x equals 7. We're still not done, because now we have to substitute the value of x into the appropriate expression to get the angle measurement. So we were looking for what? We're looking for angle A. So it says angle A is equal to 5x plus 12. So that's going to be 5 times 7 plus 12. 5 times 7 is 35. 35 plus 12, we get 47. So angle A is equal to 47. What would be the measurement of angle B? Well, we could substitute. The measurement of angle B would be, so B is equal to 7x minus 6, it said, right? 7x minus 6, yes. So we substitute, it's going to be 7 times 7 minus 6. 7 times 7 is 49 minus 6. we get angle B equals 43. Now, what do you notice? What would happen if I add up angle A and angle B? What would I get? I would get 90. Is that supposed to happen? You bet it's supposed to happen. Why is it supposed to happen? Well, it's supposed to happen because it says that they're complementary angles. And complementary angles have to add up to 90. If I didn't get 90 when I added up my results for angle A and angle B, that means I did something wrong. Okay, I hope this video helps. Take care.